That's a good one there. That'll make you sit up and say howdy. Oh, sweet bearded baby Jesus. Oh. Video is on the TV in the lobby.
Was it really?
That's weird. That was odd. I was like, hey, there I am. So that made me chuckle.
But it reinforced though to people that were also in their waiting room that it works.
Yeah.
That's why we come back.
Yeah.
It's working.
Yeah, because they're like, wait, is that you? I was like, yeah, it is. I was like, well, you see, I'm still here.
You know, I've actually had quite a few patients with cerebral palsy reach out.
Have you really?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Some that were like this is what I've been looking for. Every chiropractor is completely afraid to
Absolutely,
do anything.
Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, that's why we're back.
Yeah, that's why we will
But-
continue to come back because
Yeah.
You notice a difference with them?
big time.
Yeah.
And it
Yeah.
lasts for so long too.
Yeah. I mean, I'll be sore tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, but it's worth it because 2-3 weeks down the line, you're feeling a lot better. And even when I reposition myself in my chair now,
Yeah.
my back will pop because it's loose enough that it can kind of, obviously not like what you can do, but
yeah.
it can relax itself, which it never has before.
It's really good.
Heck yeah.
So yeah.
Heck yeah.
But yeah, it was a surreal experience in the lobby today. I was like, well, okay. So, but yeah, it was fun.
Nice. All right, no, stay there for a moment.
Okay.
Oh, I got you right there. Actually, last time, I don't think I had this one, did I?
No, you did not.
Okay.
What is that?
Oh, just wait. Just wait. No,
You got a new toy?
Yes. So instead of like that one that I normally used,
Yes.
it's like a more of like a thumping.
Yeah.
This is a rapid vibration.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
It's intense with this guy.
I like that. Because I have a massage gun at home now, but it's a thumper. It's not like this.
Yep. Yeah, I couldn't believe it when I tried this out. I was like, oh my gosh, this thing is like crazy good. Because I don't even have to push in really. I mean, now if I really want to.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, yeah.
You know, give a little.
Yeah.
Like,
Shoot, that breaks up adhesions and everything, dude.
oh yeah.
Wow.
I don't know. Your muscles out really well.
Oh, that's a different sensation.
Right?
Yep. Stimulate blood flow to your brain.
Exactly. Well, a lot of these smaller muscles in the neck can never, with the thumping,
Yeah.
it works great on large muscle groups, but
Yeah.
small, it's not good. Where this can go
Anywhere.
literally directly over bone. Like,
Absolutely. Well, you do this too long though, you'll fall asleep. Bigger in life. See, a number of people with CP reach out to you. That's pretty cool.
oh yeah. I know it's a shame that some of them, you know, they're far, so they're like, you know, they're like if I ever, you know, have a trip or something where they're coming out here, they'd love to come in. I think I got 2 that are within like a 2-3 hour drive. So we'll start seeing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's about 2 hours.
Is it? Yeah. Yeah, I remember we talking about gosh, when that hurricane came through.
Yep.
What is this thing called? Like what?
It's a rapid vibration.
Okay.
That's the name of the machine?
A rapid release.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rapid release vibration.
That's pretty cool. Kara, I think you would like this better than the massage bed. Because it doesn't whoop you. Shoulder because my shoulders are sore.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, that feels nice, and it's almost a heat too.
Yeah.
You know,
With this side,
Yeah.
has like a heat effect to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, go like bring one arm up just like that.
Like that?
You can let that one rest. Yeah.
Okay.
And then let it kind of drop. And then just relax that side. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. You feel the tightness?
Oh yeah.
Yep. That's why I sat on your workout today.
I think it's cool that you could do that from this wheelchair.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Oh, yes. That. Oh, that was amazing.
Yeah, I go a little bit lower on my tissue pole, getting lower cervical, catching just about T1.
Oh, you can hear that. Oh, that's amazing.
So cool. Heck yeah. Yeah, these traps of yours, though. Jeez.
Yep. That's one of those that kind of hurts and kind of feels good at the same time. Like, but pack your lunch before you start this. Because, yeah, I'm a little tight.
Let's get this side.
Oh, it's starting to loosen up though. I can feel it.
Let's get a little bit deeper.
Okay, Doc. Thought we were friends. Don't know about this. Friends don't make friends do whatever this is. Oh. Oh.
Yeah,
This is why it works.
Yeah.
This is why it works.
yeah, I can get a lot deeper
Yeah.
with this.
That's a torture device, is what that is. That's a good one there. That'll make you sit up and say howdy.
Alright, let's cool you down a little bit before we get you on that table.
I'm just gonna have you pull out, and then I'll put my hand like that. Perfect. And then watch out, I'll kick you. Not on purpose, but I will kick you. Okay, and then just slide my feet around.
Okay.
And then I should come with you. Like that. That's how they're kind of supposed to go.
There we go.
And then do I need to scoot more up?
No, no.
No, that's
You're
okay.
good, yeah.
And you can feel the bottom of my legs are colder because they don't circulate very well.
Uh-huh. Yeah, all of this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
That'll change after I'm done today. Might have to get me one of those. I'm just telling you. That might be my next Amazon purchase.
Let's see if we got anything else up here after that sitting one. Just a little guy.
Just a tiny one. That's a good one right there. That's the deep one. That's always my spot right there.
Heck yeah, that thing just crunched under my hand there.
It was hurting you last night.
Yeah. That's the one that was getting me last night. See, to me, it just feels like a stretch, but it feels really good because it never gets stretched. Tailbone. Oh, that was a good one too. Right there.
Heck yeah. I want to get all of this loosened up for you.
Heck yeah. Thank you. I'll take it, trust me. You're gonna be worn out for your next patient.
I don't mind.
What made you think about starting a YouTube channel?
My sister and brother-in-law.
Really?
Yeah, they were the ones, they started a YouTube channel maybe 4 or 5 months before me. It started taking off for them, and they're like, you should, do what you do. You do a lot of different things as a chiropractor. And I laughed because I was like, nobody wants to see me.
Yeah, everybody wants to.
Like over 2 million subscribers, I'll say, I don't know.
And you diversify your income streams, so good for you.
Yeah.
And you brought awareness to it.
Yeah.
So that people are
Yep.
help.
Yep.
You never have
No, would have been getting crap relief, if any relief even.
Yeah. So,
And, like I said, I'll be sore tomorrow and kind of feel like I got body slammed a little bit, but after that, it's great. And I keep coming back for more, so that should tell you something.
No, even with just what I've done right now, when you first got you to lay down, I've already noticed different parts of the back just kind of like flattening out, getting a little bit more level, which obviously you need, considering when you're sitting up all day long like that.
That was a hip hopper. Again, it's like a stretch.
Yeah, I still want to get a few more drops in here.
It's amazing that you can even feel that.
Well, upper is moving better, and then it gets here, I'd say here.
And that's right where it's sore.
Yeah, it's right where it was sore.
Was it?
Yep. It just, I mean, that's cool.
Yeah, put some good ones on.
Oh, that was a good one.
There we go.
That's a good one.
Heck yeah.
I like that.
All right.
All right, turn over.
Yep.
All right, here's your workout.
Right here.
Well, except I went too far. Hold on. There we go. I'll use that.
Perfect.
Good job, babe. You know what's up. And then just move my feet over. And then the rest of me should kind of follow. Like that. Where's the edge on that? There you go. Yeah, just put me wherever I need to be.
There we go.
Good.
Good? You can...
Bring it.
There we go.
I think you're lined up there now. And I'll get you.
Yep. You can pull me wherever you need me to be.
There it is.
Even my fingers are working better today because they wouldn't go together before. Oh, that was a good one. Pop the knee.
All right.
Where do you want me to be?
I'm gonna scoot you down.
Okay.
I got you.
Oh, need some pulling room. Oh, upper back. back. That was a good one. Yeah. That one didn't go all the way down, but that was like everything in the neck and upper back.
Okay.
Is where that was.
We'll get that next one going deeper.
Yep. I can't tell you what that stretch feels like though. That's nice. Probably similar to what your able-bodied clients call like massage or whatever, because that's the stretch. That's kind of what it feels like to me, is just relaxation, which is a strange sensation for me. Oh, sweet bearded baby Jesus. Oh, that one went further down. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, yeah. Whew. Oh, yeah. That was a good one there. Oh, wow.
Let's see if there's anything else. I'll go one more time.
Okay. Oh, yep. One more, but I think that was it. That was just a singular pop, not a. The second one was like a zipper. Oh, that was good.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you very much.
How are you feeling?
Fantastic.
Good.
Really good.
Good. Put it right there now that I can get this a little bit better.
Okay. Yes, extremely. Especially my back. Because like I said, it was bothering me yesterday.
Well, I'm glad
It feels a lot better
there
today.
was a few good the drops. I got
Yeah.
good crunches that I felt.
Yeah,
I was happy with that. And then obviously that wise strap
yes.
really decompresses a ton for you.
Yes, it does. Karen, now I'm wondering if this thing would help you with your headaches. I don't know. I like that thing.
Thank you.
That's really good.
Heck yeah.
Look at that. I can move. I can move. That's.
Your legs feel better now too?
Oh, absolutely. They just they stretch. Like, I can put my foot up.
Right.
Yeah, she doesn't even have to help me, which is amazing. So, thank you, sir.
You're
You
welcome.
are awesome.
Heck yeah.
We'll be back.
Perfect.
How soon should we be back?
I don't know.
6 months? Or we come back 3?
Yeah, every 90 days typically.
Yeah, somewhere I would say right around 4 months.
Okay.
Right around
Okay.
that range, yeah.
Yeah, because I think your mom was saying you're getting ready to have a baby, so
Yeah.
Congratulations.
congratulations, that's fantastic.
Yep.
So, but I
Number
didn't.
3.
Oh, so
okay.
exciting.
So you've got a little bit of experience in it. So,
Yeah.
but it's always something new every time.
Oh, I know.
It's gonna add more fun to it.
Absolutely.
A little bit of stress.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep you busy.
You're not kidding.
Yeah. Well, all right. Well, we'll see you back in 3 to 4 months.
Perfect. Perfect.
Sounds good.